Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch TCL LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture problem due to backlight fault. Here we already opened the panel frame. While dealing with backlight related faults, it's always recommended to replace the entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetitions in same fault. Finally here we replaced all backlight with new one. Now we can put the reflector sheet, panel, everything back to TV. Finally the TV is working properly. See friends, so that's it. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.